Have you ever looked at a pivot table and thought, these numbers are right, but the order makes no sense? What if I told you Excel lets you sort pivot tables exactly the way you want, not just A to Z or biggest to smallest? Stay with me, this Excel trick will save you tons of time. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with a simple example. Here, I have a sales dataset with region and sales amount. Click anywhere in the data, go to Insert, then Pivot Table, choose New Worksheet, and hit OK. In the Pivot Table Fields panel, drag region to rows, and sales amount to values. Now we have total sales by region, simple and clean. By default, Excel applies basic sorting rules, either alphabetically or by numeric values. You can right-click a region to sort from A to Z. Otherwise, right-click the total sales column to sort from largest to smallest or smallest to largest. That works fine in many cases. But what if this isn't the order you want? Let's say, I want my regions ordered like this: north first, then south, then east, and finally west. Most people try dragging items up and down. But that's messy and unreliable. Click the first region label, start typing north. Press enter. Next type south. Then east. Finally west. Excel instantly rearranges the pivot table based on the order you typed. This works fast, and it applies across all categories inside the pivot table. But here's the problem: if you create another pivot table later, you have to redo this again. So how do we make Excel remember this order forever? This is the pro trick most Excel users don't know. Go to File, then Options. Click Advanced, scroll down, and select Edit Custom Lists. This is the Custom Lists window. On the left, you can see built-in lists, like days of the week and months. But we're going to create our own custom sequence. Under List Entries, type your custom order. For example, North, South, East, and West. Make sure each item is on a new line. Once you're done, click Add, then click OK. An even faster way is to import directly from your worksheet. If your list already exists in Excel, click inside the Import List from Cells, select the cells, and click Import. Hit OK. Excel instantly stores this order in memory. From now on, whenever you sort a pivot table, or even regular data, Excel will automatically recognize and apply this custom order. Right-click any region, then Sort. See, Excel automatically uses your custom list. And the best part? This works across all pivot tables and all Excel files. If this video helped you, please like it. It really supports the channel. Share it and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Excel lesson.